Good afternoon, everyone. My topic is virtual number of teeth. In this virtual number of teeth in helical gear, explore advanced gear design with a focus on computational methodology. We will cover mathematical modeling of gear tooth interactions. A precision engineering approaches to gear system analysis will be presented. Fundamental concept definition: the virtual number of teeth in critical in helical gear mechanics. Breeding theory: the parameter theoretical and practical gear design. Key parameters: understand its role in gear design approaches. Next one is in this mathematical formulation. First one is equation derivation. Derive the virtual tooth number equation for first principle. Show the impact of the helix angle on calculation. Second one is computational methodology. Explore computational methodology for precise determination. Focus on mathematical models. In this numerical modeling techniques, first one is finite element analysis. Apply finite element analysis approaches to gear systems. Second one is computer simulation. Simulate gear tooth interactions to understand stress distribution. Third one is advanced tools. Utilize advanced computational tools for precise measurement. Next one is influencing factors. First one, helix angle. Understand the impact of helix angle variations on results. Second one is gear geometry. Account for gear geometry parameters in the analysis. Third one is material properties. Incorporate material properties and manufacturing tolerances. Computational analysis methodology. First one is numerical integration, second error minimization, and third statistical validation. Numerical integration. Apply numerical integration techniques for computation. Second, error minimization. Implement error minimization strategies for accuracy. Statistical validation. Use statistical validation to confirm computational model. Next one is practical application. Practical application gear design. Optimize gear designs using virtual tooth number analysis. System performance. Uh, Predict mechanical system performance with enhanced models. Precision engineering. Apply methods in automotive and aerospace industries. This conclusion and future research. First one is current limitations. Acknowledge limitation in current calculations. Second, emerging approaches. Explore emerging computational approaches. Third one is potential advancement. Identify opportunities for advanced gear design. Thank you.